Hey guys, thanks for coming to the channel real quick. I got a quick video to make. I got my 2021 Jeep right here. So I've been slowly converting this thing from the halogen lights that it came with from the factory on this Sahara model. I didn't get the LED light package from the factory, so that was a shame. So I've been slowly converting it all to LEDs. In the 1 year with the Jeep video, I went over some of the LED options that I had gone for that were aftermarket, such as those blacked out tail lights and the LED markers that were sequential, which are the ones that I'm actually going to be replacing today. Those sequential markers that I got from Quadratech, I believe, or Amazon, I can't remember, but they just shit the bed randomly. And I have a buddy who got some work done on his Jeep. He did a fender chop, but basically he had the Rubicon with the LED package, so he had those LED marker lights and turn signal lights laying around. I picked them up for pretty cheap, so shout out to you, Matt. Thanks for the lights. Yeah, I just thought it'd be a good video to make real quick. You can see these are the non-LED, so you can see they flash orange and they kind of just have a halogen light in them. I've actually just now decided I'm going to do this outside where there's lots of light. So this whole fender's got to come off. So on the halogen, there's a light bulb in this grommet, I guess. And in the LED, there's just a connector. That's why the whole fender's got to come off. So this should be fun. Let's get it done. So I have removed the LED harness from the fender liner from Matt's Jeep right here. Remove the harness. Now I'm going to remove the OEM halogen harness from my fender and just replace it with this one. So as you can see, they're basically a direct swap. So for example, this piece clips right in here. I can grab the LED light that matches up with the halogen light that I took out. So you can see them side by side. Halogen, LED. And this LED is just gonna fit right in where the halogen was, just like that. And then you don't want to forget about your side marker. Clip in the back here, just like that. Before this all goes back together 100%, I'm going to hang the fender up, plug it in, and see if the lights turn on. We got DRL'S. Nice. So while I was doing this project here, I kind of decided on the whim to kind of clean this area out before the summer. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. I've also got some rust spots on my spring rest right there, and just dirty. It's just dirty. So I got this really cool stuff, RP342 black, fast drying, protective wax coating. We use this on lots and lots of projects. But basically the long and short of what it is it's a wax coating that you can put on. You can pretty much cover the whole bottom side of your car if you want to in it. But basically it just puts a thin wax coating that's also black on your Jeep parts or your truck parts. Anything that you could want covered, it puts it on there, and it does a really good job keeping it protected from rust and water and stuff like that. I'm gonna spray the whole Corvette in it. No, I'm just kidding. Imagine, my dad would absolutely kill me if we did that. So I decided to go with a little bit of brake clean to clean off these parts that I want to wash, and just a rag. I'm not gonna get out the hose and bother wetting everything down. So I don't want to get this stuff all over my nice Falcon shocks, so I'm gonna grab a piece of cardboard and stick it up in there, and then I'll get to spraying. I'm basically gonna spray everything. I'm gonna spray the top of this. I'm gonna spray the disconnecting sway bar links. I'm gonna spray the entire shot, the entire spring, and this part, this half of the frame, and that bottom part of the frame. This is merely for rust protective purposes. I just also like that this product is black. It just keeps everything looking new. Now, as you can see, just makes everything look nice and new. A lot of this dust and such is actually from my trip to Arizona. It's all just, because I kind of drove through the desert. It got sand and dust everywhere. But yeah, just a quick little cleanup. And there we go. This is all set in place where it goes. All right, so I just rotated the Jeep around in the driveway. I'm gonna do the second fender. Hopefully it'll come off a little bit quicker and a little bit easier than the first one. I'm brain damaged.
Yeah. That's at least your problems.
I just had to mask off my Falcon SP2 adjustable shocks.
Can't overspray onto those.
Now the spring and all the frame here, spring, sway bar link, it's all been coated. Just a little touch up while I was in there. So now I'm gonna throw the fender back on, and then we'll finally get our full look at the LEDs. We're about to turn on our lamps, see how they look. LEDs though. Looks good.
You changed things so much on this car.
So? Premium. I'll see you next time. Peace. Was I in the frame just then? Are you serious? Okay, let me know in a minute. Just barely.
Now you're in it, like your head is right at the top of the screen.
Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. That's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. I really like the way these lights look on the Jeep, as opposed to those halogen lights that came with it stock, and as opposed to the blacked out sequential lights that I got for super cheap off Amazon. Those were just not it. So I really like the way these look. I like the way the orange looks on the turn signals and how it turns those DRLs off. Next couple of things we might be doing: LED tail light, MOPAR. Right now I put the MOPAR OEM halogen lights back on because I was getting so tired of those crappy backup lights that were on the blacked out ones. So switching up a couple of things. We also got that black wax coating all over the inside of those fenders and the frame, the springs. I would recommend anyone who's watching, pick some of that stuff up. I'll put a picture of what it looks like somewhere on the screen right here. And maybe even a link to the website where we order it from. That stuff is awesome. It sprays on super easy, super thin, dries super fast. And it gives it a nice waterproof coating to anything that you spray on it. That's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.